The protocol, from node sales to address poisoning, the money's in crypto. In this week's issue of the Protocol newsletter, we dive into the crypto industry's fundraising method du jour. It's all about the decentralization. Plus, Polyhedra says its ZK prover is twice faster than anyone else's. What could be more crypto than raising tens of millions of dollars via a node sale? In this week's issue of the Protocol, we explain the blockchain industry's newest fundraising method, which explicitly leans on its decentralizing impact. Also, Devious technique known as address poisoning leads to $68 million exploit. Top picks from the past week's Protocol Village column: Polyhedra, MetaMask, MicroStrategy, Aave, JPMorgan, Swift. Nearly $50 million of blockchain project fundraisings: Aave, Lagrange, Galaxis, Botanix. ZKM explainer on Ethereum's EIP 3074 proposal to make crypto wallets simpler to use, and Vitalik Buterin's just proposed alternative network news. Tiered node sales, like this one from Sofon, mean that the price goes up the longer buyers wait. Sofon/modified by CoinDesk using PhotoMosh nodes for sale. It's the blockchain industry's latest innovation, not in technology, but in how to round up cash from investors. Node sales involve selling blockchain nodes directly to investors, a process that brings in quick cash while ostensibly giving projects an easy path to decentralization. Still a relatively new phenomenon in fast-moving crypto, they are becoming more common. Ether, a decentralized GPU cloud infrastructure provider, disclosed last week that it had distributed more than 73,000 node licenses valued at over $41.90 $126 million. Other blockchain projects raising funds via node sales include Carve, XAI Games, and Powerloom. The latest to come to market is Sofon, an entertainment-focused blockchain ecosystem based on ZK Sync technology, relying on Celestia for data. The project attracted more than $60 million in a node sale over the past week, even though its founders are semi-anonymous. Certain mechanics of the sales appear designed to drive the fear of missing out, or FOMO, such as a system of tiering where the price goes higher as more nodes are sold, and the use of exclusive whitelists that reserve early spots for certain users. Buyers hope to get high-quality projects, says Calvin Chu, a former Binance researcher who helped start Impossible Finance, which has facilitated some of the sales. As with many crypto-related investments, buyers also hope for juicy yields in the forms of token rewards and possibly to qualify for eventual token airdrops. Address poisoning. A cryptocurrency user has lost $68 million worth of wrapped Bitcoin WBTC after falling victim to a type of exploit known as address poisoning, according to blockchain security firm CertiK. As reported by CoinDesk's Oliver Knight, address poisoning is a technique that involves tricking the victim into sending a legitimate transaction to the wrong wallet address by mimicking the first and last 6 characters of the true wallet address and depending on the sender to miss the discrepancy in the intervening characters. Wallet addresses can be as long as 42 characters. In this case, the exploiter mimicked a 0.05 Ether ETH transaction before receiving 1,155 wrapped Bitcoin WBTC from the victim. Still whirling. A hacker that stole $125 million from Polyhedra's hot wallets in November has sent 1,100 Ether ETH to sanctioned coin mixer Tornado Cash, according to blockchain data. The developers of Tornado Cash, a blockchain protocol that can be used to obscure the origin and destination of cryptocurrency transfers, are facing charges by U.S. authorities that they conspired to commit money laundering, even though they claim all they really did was write code. Former New England Patriots and Tampa Bay Buccaneers tight end Rob Gronkowski agreed to pay $1.9 million to settle claims brought against him by former customers of Voyager Digital, a cryptocurrency lender. This was despite a viral joke at his retired teammate Tom Brady's expense where Gronk, as the National Football League star is known, was portrayed as having dodged crypto troubles. A back-and-forth broke out on X over the blockchain project Sui's token supply. Protocol Village. Top picks of the past week from our Protocol Village column, highlighting key blockchain tech upgrades and news. Polyhedra company founder and CTO Tiancheng Zai. Polyhedra 1. Polyhedra Network launched an open-source ZK proof system expander that can generate proofs nearly twice faster than alternatives while enhancing security and efficiency of ZK proof process, according to the team. According to a blog post, expander can prove 4,500 kekf permutations per second on an Apple M3 Max machine. Kekek 256 is a cryptographic hash function standardized by NIST in the Secure Hash Algorithm 3 SHA-3 and is the hash function used by the Ethereum blockchain, according to the post. The new proof system builds on Polyhedra's Libra paper, lead authored by Polyhedra company founder and CTO Tiancheng Zai. 2. MetaMask, the most popular crypto wallet for Ethereum, is rolling out a new feature this week designed to help users avoid the consequences of maximal extractable value, or MEV. The optional new feature, called Smart Transactions, will allow users to submit transactions to a virtual mempool before they are officially cemented on-chain. According to Consensus, the company behind MetaMask, the virtual mempool will protect against certain kinds of MEV strategies, and it will run behind-the-scenes simulations of transactions to help users get lower fees. 3. MicroStrategy MSTR, the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, unveiled plans to develop a decentralized identity service using ordinals inscriptions. The goal of MicroStrategy Orange is to provide trustless, tamper-proof, and long-lived decentralized identities using the Bitcoin blockchain, founder Michael Saylor said at the company's Bitcoin for Corporations conference on Wednesday. 4. Aave Labs, the main developer behind Aave, a DeFi protocol, proposed to develop its V4 as part of a wider grant proposal involving community feedback and testing, with a timeline starting this quarter and leading to a full release by mid-2024. Aave V4 would be built with a completely new architecture, with an efficient and modular design, while minimizing the impact on third-party integrators, the proposal reads. A key change would be the introduction of a unified liquidity layer and a new Oracle design with Chainlink. 5. Citi, JPMorgan, MasterCard, Swift, and Deloitte are among major companies with an interest in financial services teaming up to explore sharing ledger technology by simulating multi-asset transactions in US dollars. The research project, titled Regulated Settlement Network RSN Proof of Concept POC, will explore the potential of bringing commercial bank money, wholesale central bank money, and securities such as U.S. Treasuries and investment-grade debt to a common regulated venue, according to a statement shared with CoinDesk. The New York Innovation Center of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York will act as a technical observer. Ethereum developers target ease of crypto wallets with EIP 3074. Screen grab from the EIP 3074 proposal. Ethereum.org, modified by CoinDesk using Photomosh's blockchain team strive for the holy grail of mainstream adoption. Making crypto wallets easier to use is suddenly at the top of the agenda. Ethereum developers have been moving along with their discussions and inclusions of certain Ethereum improvement proposals EIPs for the blockchain's next big hard fork, Petra. One of the proposals that has drawn both support and concern from the Ethereum community is EIP 3074, a code change that is supposed to improve the user experience with wallets on the blockchain. Paradigm Chief Technology Officer Georgios Konstantinopoulos said on X that EIP 3074 is a big deal. Wallet UX will tanks. Click here for the full story by Margot Snakerk. P.S. This just in, Ethereum company founder Vitalik Buterin has proposed an EIP 3074 alternative called EIP 7702. It's super technical, but Gerard Watts, a developer relations engineer with Polygon, put out a good tweet thread about it. Money Center, Fundraising's Lava Network. Schematic Lava Network, a modular network focused on providing access to every blockchain and rollup, is announcing the successful completion of an $11 million pre-mainnet round for the Lava Foundation, led by individual investors and VCs in the Web3 space. Peter Thiel's Founders Fund led a $13.2 million seed funding round into Lagrange Labs, a cryptography startup based on Ethereum's IGN layer staking platform. Galaxis, a Singapore-based Web3 platform, has raised $10 million from funders including Chainlink, Ethereum Name Services ENS, Rarestone Capital, Tesu Ventures, and ENS company founder Nick Johnson. Bitcoin development startup Botanix Lab said it raised $8.5 million toward building a Layer 2 network spider chain, taking its total backing to $11.5 million after a $3 million pre-seed round last year. ZKM, described as a general-purpose ZKVM seeking to unite the fragmented Web3 universe, announced it has completed a $5 million pre-funding round led by OKX Ventures and is preparing to launch a Bitcoin Layer 2 with native asset security and yield. Deals and grants. Starknet Foundation, supporting the Ethereum Layer 2 network Starknet, announced roughly $5 million in grants available via a seed grant program with up to $25,000 per award. Jesse Pollack, who oversees the crypto exchange Coinbase's Layer 2 network, Base, unveiled a new incentives campaign, On-Chain Summer Roman 2, with more than 600 ETH, $2 million of prizes, grants, and gas credits offered by the project and its ecosystem partners. MoonPay users can now buy crypto via PayPal data, and Tokens Lyra Finance now lets liquid risk-taking token holders earn extra yields from automated trade strategies. Key Bitcoin indicator points to period of calm in crypto market. Jack Dorsey's block adding more Bitcoin to balance sheet. Presence roadmap for others. Layer 0 takes snapshot as airdrop draws closer. Athena's ENA jumps 8% as Bybit endorses US token as collateral for Derivatives. Sue Island to run months-long points program with a twist calendar. May 9-10, Bitcoin Asia, Hong Kong. May 1827, Berlin Blockchain Week. May 29-31, Consensus, Austin, Texas. May 29-31, Bitcoin Seoul. June 11-13, Apex, the XRP Ledger Developer Summit, Amsterdam. July 8-11, FCC, Brussels. July 25-27, Bitcoin 2024, Nashville. August 19-21, Web3 Summit, Berlin. September 19-21, Solana Breakpoint, Singapore. September 1-7, Korea Blockchain Week, Seoul. September 30, October 2, Masari Mainnet, New York. October 9-11, Permissionless, Salt Lake City. October 21-22, Cosmoverse, Dubai. October 23-24, Cardano Summit, Dubai. October 30-31, Chainlink SmartCon, Hong Kong. November 12-14, Deccan 7, Bangkok. November 2021, North American Blockchain Summit, Dallas. February 19-20, 2025, Consensus HK, Hong Kong.